Alright, so here's how to move your crypto from Coinbase to Robinhood. So this is going to be very simple, but we're going to dive in step by step on how to actually get it done. So you're first going to have to make sure the coin you're trying to transfer is actually supported by Robinhood. So to do this, you're simply going to have to open the Robinhood app, then head over to the crypto tab and check if the coin you're trying to transfer is available. If it's not, then you definitely need to swap it for one that is. But once you have a coin that's available, you're then going to have to select it, then tap receive to generate your wallet address. Then simply copy the address because you're going to need it later on. So once you do that, this is when you're then going to head over to Coinbase. So once you're on Coinbase, you then have to go to the assets section, then select the crypto you want to move, then tap send, and you then have to paste in that wallet address you copied from Robinhood. So there's going to be a recipients field, so simply paste it right there. Then finally, enter the amount you want to transfer, double check all the information, and confirm. So just remember, crypto transactions don't happen instantly. So it really depends on the network, but it can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. So just make sure to keep an eye on Robinhood's crypto tab, and once you receive your funds, then everything is set. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.